American Airlines, soaring revenue, turbulent skies. American Airlines is a giant in the industry. It's one of the biggest airlines in the world today, but even giants face significant challenges. The airline industry is incredibly tough. Lots of competition and unexpected problems arise. Think fuel prices going crazy or a global pandemic grounding flights worldwide. American Airlines has been through a lot over the years. It's had its ups and downs, no doubt. But one thing is for sure, people need to fly. And that means American has a chance to keep soaring high. The big question for investors, can they navigate the turbulence and come out on top successfully? Financial checkup, strong sales, lingering debt. Let's talk numbers. In the world of aviation, American Airlines is a name that stands out. But how are they really doing? The good news? American is selling a lot of tickets. Revenue is up, and that's a positive sign. People are flying again after the pandemic slump. That's a major win for the airline industry. But there's a catch, and it's a big one. Like many airlines, American took on a lot of debt. This debt was necessary to keep operations running when travel came to a near halt. They had to stay afloat when travel stopped. The pandemic hit the travel industry hard, grounding planes and emptying airports. Now they're working to pay it down. This means making tough financial decisions and prioritizing debt repayment. That means less money for other things like new planes or bigger bonuses for employees. It's a delicate balancing act. The stock market is watching closely. Investors are keenly aware of how these financial moves impact the company's value. When American beats earnings expectations, the stock goes up. This brings a wave of optimism among investors. When they miss, it dips. This can lead to concerns and a lack of confidence in the market. It's a bit of a roller coaster ride for investors. The financial journey of American Airlines is filled with highs and lows, much like the flights they operate. Headwinds and competition, a bumpy ride in the airline industry. The airline industry is facing turbulent times with numerous challenges that make it a tough business to navigate. The airline industry is like a crowded sky. Everyone's fighting for passengers. With so many airlines vying for attention, competition is fierce and every airline is trying to outdo the other. You've got low-cost carriers like Spirit and Frontier offering cheap fares. These budget airlines attract price-sensitive travelers, making it harder for traditional airlines to compete on price alone. Then there are the big international airlines competing for long-haul flights. These giants focus on providing premium services and extensive global networks, aiming to capture the lucrative business and first-class markets. Fuel prices are another headache. Jet fuel is expensive. The cost of fuel can fluctuate wildly, making it difficult for airlines to predict expenses and manage budgets effectively. And when prices spike, it eats into airline profits. Higher fuel costs mean higher operating expenses, which can significantly impact an airline's bottom line. American tries to hedge against these swings, but it's not always perfect. Hedging strategies can mitigate some risks, but they are not foolproof and can sometimes lead to financial losses. And let's not forget about labor. The workforce is the backbone of the airline industry, and their roles are crucial for smooth operations. Pilots, flight attendants, baggage handlers, they're all essential. Each group plays a vital role in ensuring that flights operate safely and efficiently, but negotiating contracts can be tough. Labor negotiations are often complex and can lead to disputes that disrupt operations. Strikes are a risk, and they can ground flights and hurt the bottom line. When workers strike, it can lead to significant financial losses and damage an airline's reputation. Investor outlook, a mixed bag for American Airlines. So, should you buy American Airlines stock? It's a tough call. There's potential upside. Travel demand is strong and people are eager to travel again after the pandemic. The airline industry is seeing a resurgence in passenger numbers, and American Airlines is no exception. American is making progress on paying down debt. They've been working hard to improve their financial health, but risks remain. Competition is fierce, with other airlines also vying for market share. Fuel costs are volatile, and any spike in prices could impact profitability. And economic uncertainty could make people think twice about booking that next flight. Analysts are divided. Some say buy, some say hold, some say sell. The mixed opinions reflect the unpredictable nature of the market and the various factors at play. It all depends on your risk tolerance and how much you believe in Americans' ability to navigate the challenges ahead. If you're a risk taker, you might see this as an opportunity. If you're more conservative, you might want to wait and see. One thing is certain, American Airlines will continue to be a major player in the airline industry. Their extensive network and brand recognition give them a strong position. Whether they can deliver consistent profits for investors remains to be seen. The future holds many possibilities, and only time will tell how American Airlines will fare in the long run.